Hey friends, hope you're doing well. Today I have two incredible, amazing AI tools I'd like to share with you, which you definitely have to try. The first one is this Cutout Pro. And here are a few examples what it does. What you basically do is you upload your video, and then you can, for instance, here remove unwanted objects, as you can see here. So that's the original video with this woman. And if you want to get rid of her, just do a simply drag here and you can completely remove it. So there's no coding, nothing special here included. You just really can simply by dragging and dropping things and remove it. The same is true here for backgrounds of images, like this one here. That is the default one, and if you want to get rid of it, you just can get rid of it completely using this tool. And here are a few additional examples, like for instance here, removing unwanted objects, in this case the background here again, and here face cutouts. So for instance here, as you can see here, that is the original image from the photo, and if you remove it, then you only have the face left. Amazing. And the other tool I'd like to share with you is if you are into cooking, then there's a video to Resype, and this works the following way. Maybe you have seen a YouTube video where someone tells you and prepares some kind of meal, and you want to also cook this meal. But maybe you don't want to watch the whole video because it probably takes a little bit longer. Then you can upload the video here. And what this video to Resype actually does is it analyzes the video, then it spits out all the ingredients within this video, and then it gives you instructions on how to cook this meal. Amazing, right? So give it a try, and if you like this video and if you want to see more of this, then give this video a like, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, and wish you all the best.